Top 5 Best Fingerprint Door Lock. Here is the product number 5. Towode Keyless USB Rechargeable Door Lock Fingerprint. Using high-tech chips, fingerprint processing is faster. Record 10 times and save 10 groups, can be used by the whole family. 360 degrees arbitrary angle biometric recognition, induction rate 0.1s. Wide application, perfectly used for doors, cabinets, bikes, backpacks, storage lockers, etc. Easy operation, no need any tools, you can add or delete fingerprints easily by following the instructions of the user manual. Here is the product number 4. RAYKUBE Wi-Fi Electronic Door Lock with Tuya. Both support Tuya, Smart Life app. Fingerprint, password, smart card, key unlock, temporary password, time password. Support normal open mode, access free. Difference mortise lock size. English voice. Frosted shell. Universal both for right or left door. For 35 to 100 mm door thickness. Fingerprint user, 100. Card user, 100. Here is the product number 3. Electronic Security Smart Bluetooth App Wi-Fi. Unlock method, Bluetooth, app password, fingerprint, password, card, key. Applications, house, apartment, school, office. Functional wooden door, security door / fireproof door, stainless door. Lock body, sawing resistant, pulling resistant / prying resistant back / anti-theft. Power supply, 4 AA batteries, excluded. The number of fingerprint storage group, 200 PCs. Here is the product number 2. YOHEEN Wi-Fi Electronic Smart Door Lock. Fingerprint sensor, FBC semiconductor. Unlock method, app password, fingerprint, password, card, key. Wi-Fi Tuya app optional. Cylinder grade, C-grade blade cylinder. Applications, hotel, apartment, Airbnb, school, office. Functional wooden door. Lock body, single latch, double latch 5050 optional. Power supply, 4 AA batteries, excluded. Here is the product number 1. European Waterproof Biometric Fingerprint Door Locks. Model number YR1019BL. Supported OS, iOS 7.0 or later, Android 4.4 or later. Battery life, can provide 5,000 unlocks, in approximately 6 months. Power supply, 4 pieces of 1.5 volts AA alkaline batteries. Unlock mode, Bluetooth, fingerprint, code, and 1 card, mechanical key. Unlock time, approximately 1.5 seconds after the instructions are received. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel.